Take out the machine and its accessories. There are 2 spare fuses which can replace a broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with a spare one. Install a filter. There are 4 small rubber rings and 2 large rubber rings on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it is not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Install the holder. Connect the stone 8-polar RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the stone Photon microcurrent handpiece to the machine. Connect the stone vacuum and Cavi handpiece to the machine. Connect the power cord to the socket of the machine. Press the stone vacuum and Cavi function button. Set parameters. Time range is 0 to 60. 15 minutes on each area is recommended. Vacuum, suction time range, and the release time range are 0 to 2. Both can be freely adjusted. When release time is not 0 and suction time is longer than release time, the handpiece is at suction and release mode. When release time is 0, the handpiece is at constant suction mode. Suction range is 0 to 60, adjusted according to individual endurance. Cavi energy level range is 0 to 10, 2 to 7 is recommended. The higher the energy level is, the stronger the tinnitus sensation will be. Cavi mode selection, constant working mode, and discontinuous working mode. The former is recommended. The Cavi function of the stone vacuum Cavi handpiece can be used alone. You just need to detach the vacuum cup and then set the parameters of Cavi function. Press button to start the treatment. Press the stone 8-polar RF function button. Parameter recommendation: set time at 15 minutes and energy level at 2 to 7. Mode selection: normal mode. The energy of the handpiece directly reaches preset level after start button is pressed. Pro mode. The energy of the handpiece slowly reaches preset level after start button is pressed and the handpiece touches skin. Press button to start the treatment. Press stone Photon microcurrent function button. Parameter recommendation: set time at 15 minutes and energy level at 2 to 7. Mode selection: constant working mode and discontinuous working mode. The former is recommended. There are 4 buttons on the handpiece: wave, light with a certain color flashes, mode or on, change the color of the flashing light, or turn on the light, auto, lights with multiple colors flashes cyclically, off, turn off the light. Press button to start the treatment. Press reset button to go back to home interface after treatment. Sanitize handpieces for the next time use.